Hi, my name is Matilda Patterson, and I'm here with my group, Mallory Cobbler, Morgan Beachy, Jordan Dawson, and our professor, Professor John. We're at the Modern Farm Package Service Group. All around our country, massive amounts of foods and resources are wasted on college campuses every day. According to RecycleWorks, the average college student processes 142 pounds of food waste per person per year. This totals up to over 22 million pounds of food per year, a small but important drop in the bucket when compared to the 35 million tons of food wasted around America every year, according to the Environmental Protection Agency. Right now, unbalanced and unhealthy dining programs are established within our universities. What we're here to do is very simple. We're here to reduce both food costs and waste at schools and provide institutions means for their own food while supporting local farms at the same time. We polled students who attended our main dining service area, our school, Wittenberg University, to ask them about what they thought about the food. These were their responses. Based off their feedback, we are encouraged to move forward with this Modern Farm Package Service Group. We will act as a program for the university in order to make it more green. The purpose of our product will be, first and foremost, to efficiently dispose food waste created by the university, make the university more environmental friendly, and reduce the amount of food sent to landfills and the cost of disposal of the food.
One of the other areas that group will be focusing on is the obesity epidemic in our country. Healthy food becomes expensive. 80% of the schools in the United States do not meet the USDA standards for fat composition. Vending machines that allow for the purchase of sodas are present in 43% of American elementary schools. These and other very worrying statistics have prompted many different organizations and programs to help improve the health of our children and of our younger adults. Many schools simply cannot implement a farm program. There are many reasons for this. One of them is there is a very large learning curve in order to start the project. Our company will take care of the total purchasing, installation, initial operation, training, and even follow-up for all of the implemented facilities and equipment. There's also usually a lack of funding. We will work with grant makers to get grants for your college or organization to get started. Other times, there is a lack of menu ideas. In a chef's perspective, we will have a list of menu items that you can use to create your own new menu with fish, vegetables, and other greens. Step 1. Implementing the Aqua Farm. A sustainable food source that provides healthy fishes and vegetables through innovative modern farm programs. What is it? Aqua farming is the farming of aquatic organisms like fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and aquatic plants. Freshwater aquaculture includes the raising and producing of species that are native to rivers, lakes, and streams, predominantly raising catfish, but also trout, tilapia, and bass. Why aqua farm? Aqua farming creates a sustainable circuit. Fish and plants can be grown to feed off one another. This is called aquaponics. This helps to resolve the issues of overfishing in oceans and harvesting fish contaminated by heavy metals and accumulating toxins. There are very few drawbacks to this system. We have 3 objectives. Establish a market with universities and private institutions around America, as well as other schools with the capabilities of implementing these programs. Second, we would like to foster a network to reduce food waste at the collegiate level. Finally, we would like to reduce the use of macro waste management facilities for biodegradable foods. Shown here are several pictures of what other facilities around the world look like. For our market tests, in spring of 2016, the Walsh Jesuit High School in Ohio successfully installed a system very similar to the ones we will be presenting to other schools given the opportunity. They visited Mark at the Cleveland Aqua Farm to learn about the tanks, fish, and caretaking. They measured the classroom and determined possible tank sizes, drew diagrams of possible aqua farm layouts, researched all the tanks and filters they would need, and purchased the materials. Listed below are the materials they purchased. The installation process of our facilities will be very straightforward, and the equipment will be handled by members of our company. At the Walsh Jesuit Aqua Farm, the trial run included 50 fish. The test equipment and processes used ensured the fish's survival to acceptable size for profit. Fish were kept outside in warm weather and inside during cool weather until tanks can be kept at a consistent temperature. This is the second annual growing season for the fish. They have started a sustainable circuit by adding plants to this process. They use the grown fish to provide organic produce and fish for students' lunches. We have already received comments from the president and chef at Wittenberg, ensuring due diligence and consideration of our proposal, as well as continued support should this project be implemented elsewhere. The second customer is going to be our own university. The problem we are trying to address here is students complaining about the use of unhealthy excess chemicals in food from the Center for Dining at Wittenberg University. Our plan on implementing the program at our college involves speaking to the president, President Helton, and having a meeting with the head of Wittenberg Dining Services. We will use resources like the head chef at Parkhurst Dining to determine our next course of action in terms of implementing a menu and sourcing other locally grown vegetables and fish through this program. We will then talk to the local company physical plant to determine the best place and seasons for us to plant the various plants that will be fertilized by the compost produced from the food waste at Wittenberg University, severely cutting down on the amount of trash produced by the facility each day. We offer a comprehensive package for other universities or schools. Free consultation, installation, training, follow-up support, and financial programming is available. Our market segment includes nearby K-12 schools within a 5-hour driving distance and other universities and colleges within a similar radius. Department of Agriculture, Food and Nutrition Service, the Farm to School Grant, the USDA Team Nutrition Grant, and other various grants. For our consulting fee, we would offer a $5,000 package, including parts, installation, and initial training. Our service fee is 6% of the grant amount that our group secures for the organization. Following up service will be a $35 monthly fee. This has been Morgan, Matilda, Mallory, and Jordan for